Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your collard greens tender. First, begin by thoroughly washing your collard greens under cool, running water to remove any dirt or grit. Next, carefully remove the tough stems and ribs from each leaf. You can do this by folding the leaf in half and tearing or cutting the stem away. Finally, stack and roll the leaves tightly, then slice them into 1-inch wide strips. This preparation is crucial for achieving that desired tender texture. Now let's move on to the cooking method. For truly tender collard greens, braising is key. Start by using a large pot or a heavy Dutch oven, which helps distribute heat evenly. Sauté aromatic vegetables like chopped onions, garlic, and perhaps some bell pepper in a tablespoon or two of olive oil until softened. Then, add your prepared greens to the pot. Pour in a flavorful liquid, such as 4 cups of chicken broth or vegetable stock, ensuring the greens are mostly submerged. The secret to tender collard greens lies in a slow, patient simmer. Once your liquid is added, bring it to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let the greens simmer for at least 1 to 2 hours. During this time, the tough fibers will break down, becoming wonderfully soft. About halfway through, add a touch of acidity, like 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar or the juice of half a lemon, to brighten the flavor. Season generously with salt, black pepper, and a pinch of red pepper flakes. To ensure your collard greens reach perfect tenderness, continue cooking until they are easily pierced with a fork and practically melt in your mouth. This might take up to 3 hours, depending on the greens. Remember to taste and adjust your seasonings throughout the cooking process, adding more salt, pepper, or acidity as needed. For an extra layer of traditional flavor and richness, consider adding a small amount of smoked meat, like a ham hock or smoked turkey, during the simmering stage. Enjoy your perfectly tender collard greens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.